Hi guys, how are you? This is Emily from Max Reviews, and I wanted to do a review about this retrospect yoga mat. I would like to do sum up for the material because, as you can see here, it's really thick. It's 1 inch thick, so it's really helpful when you're doing yoga, Pilates, and when you're doing like exercise with your core, lower back. It really helped me to avoid like that uncomfortable feeling or even pain in my lower back when I'm doing some core exercises and I need to lay down in the floor. I also like a lot that it brings the carry strap so you can carry anywhere. For example, I like to bring it even to the beach, and like you see here, it's so smooth so the sand doesn't go in, and or to the park, for example. So it's really useful, and I think it's the perfect accessory to have at home and you like to work out from home or do any stretches, yoga, Pilates, like I said.